Customer brought us this 73 Scout 2, 345 automatic, pretty basic. A previous shop had rebuilt the engine, and they didn't do a very good job. It was leaky and had a lot of problems right out of the gate. It's been in here before trying to clean it up, and we got it running pretty good, but they were getting, like 6 miles to the gallon because the shop had installed some crazy Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, and because they thought that it needed, 700 CFM, when everyone knows that the Internationals are low CFM motors, 350, 400 CFM max on these things. So anyway, we had cleaned it up. We installed a 2-barrel Holley Sniper kit, the 2300 kit. So we're going to touch that off, and you'll be pretty impressed, I think. First fire up. That thing barely turned over a revolution before it started. You'll notice in the video there was some fuel pump whine. There's only like 3 gallons of gas in the tank, and I could see there towards the end, after I stopped recording, I checked the fuel filter at the back, and it was kind of bubbly, so I think we were drawing right off the bottom of the tank. This does have one of our 30-gallon aluminum EFI tanks in it. The pump is external, just for ease of maintenance and changing if it ever needs to be. But you saw how fast this thing started. It didn't even finish turning over, and it had already fired. The ignition system is an international distributor with a Protronics unit, Protronics igniter. Whatever that chrome body coil is, we did not install that. That was on there when it came in. So, all we did was make sure the timing was right. We changed the intake manifold from the 4-barrel that was on there to a 2-barrel to suit that 2300 Holley a little bit better. Most of these 345s came out the factory with a 2-barrel, so it was just better to clean the engine bay up, no adapters, just bolts right on and run that way. So yeah, super stoked at how it runs. So tomorrow we will start driving it and tune it and break it in. The motor is pretty low miles still, but yeah. So anyway, if you have any questions or concerns about these Holley Snipers, hopefully this video, maybe swayed you a little bit. But if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out, see what we can do.